Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to do some update about ZRX staking. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Twitter and Patreon. For my Patreon group member, you can check out my videos about indicator hurts FOMO into the stock market, screaming sell signal, should you get the coronavirus vaccine, and where to buy gold and silver, how to which gold and silver coin has high resale value, and of course there's a next Tezos. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. And let's talk about ZRX quickly. And let's see. So ZRX, I talked about that probably at least 5 months ago, and how to earn rewards by staking ZRX token. And at the time, there's not that many good staking pool, and so that's why I didn't stake any token. But the thing is, I think they have some good staking pool right now at this time. And look at this. I think back then they have 11 staking pool. Right now they only have 8 staking pool, and the so 17.47 million ZRX already staked to the platform. And ZRX, just in case you don't know, is a decentralized exchange basically. I think I have some video talk about that long time ago. I will put the link below. If you're interested, you can watch those videos, or ZRX. And they have staking pool like Volley Fire and Dust Pool and all that. And you know, the rest of the pool is pretty saturated. I'm not going to get into those pool because the thing is, there's so many people get into the pool, the reward will be diluted, right? So I'm not going to go, those are already saturated pool. In terms of Volley Fire pool, so Volley Fire pool, you can see they generated fees like 10 Ethereum, and they have 4 million ZRX stake. And you can see the total reward. And they actually, the reward shares is in here. That means they share the rewards with people, which is cool. And the reward shares is, let's see how much. The reward share is like 0.495 Ethereum, but the thing is also depending on how many ZRX you're going to stake at the, this is a reward, total reward share. So it's also depending on how many ZRX you're going to stick to the pool as well. So there's a very complicated calculation. I'm not going to get into detail, but the thing is, every 7 days, every epoch is a period of 7 days. The protocol fees are accumulated in a pool. At the end of the epoch, the rewards will be automatically distributed to the staking pool and based on the formula. So and the thing is, also depending on how many ZRX you stick into that pool. You can see the total rewards in a given epoch, right? And then this is reward for market makers pool. And this percentage is the one that is a fixed percentage for the pool member. And this is the percentage for the pool member. And also this is the amount proportional to your stake. So it's all depending on how many ZRX you stake to a particular pool. And how they generate all these fees is because, for example, in every ZRX trade, there's a maker and a taker, right? So every taker, they have to pay a small fee and then attribute to the maker address. So that's how they generate fees. It's not like out of thin air, because sometimes it's kind of confusing. Like how can you generate all these fees? Who's going to pay for that? And the thing is, like you can stake your token using a Coinbase wallet, as well as MetaMask and Tezos Ledger as well. So for the Coinbase wallet, I'm not using the Coinbase wallet because it's in the exchange. If you don't hold your token, you're going to it's up to the exchange how they want to how I mean, if the exchange go under, you're going to lose your token. So if you don't own your private key, you don't own your token basically. And you basically, you can connect your wallet to start staking. I didn't enable my MetaMask wallet in here, so you can use they will give you an option as well as a MetaMask wallet as well. and you can just start staking and using the MetaMask wallet. MetaMask wallet, basically, if you have Zilliqa token in your MyEther wallet, my crypto wallet, you can use the MetaMask as a gateway to retrieve your token from the MyEther wallet or my crypto wallet. So MetaMask, they have different favorite. They have iOS, Android, as well as they also support the Firefox browser as well. This is like an extension in Chrome, and same as in Firefox as well. And of course, Brave browser. Oh, they support the Brave browser, which is pretty cool. Used to be they don't support the Brave browser. I think I used the initially I used Chrome, then I used the Brave. No, I used the Mozilla, the Firefox, and just in case you haven't installed Brave browser, you can check it out as well. You can click the link below, and that will help out my channel as well. And Brave browser, it's pretty cool. It brought out advertising, and I can save my time to just surfing the internet and save my bandwidth as well. And let's see. So the thing is, the staking, the reward comes in Ethereum. It's not in ZRX, and that is pretty cool. I would prefer to receive Ethereum rather than ZRX. But the thing is, this you have to claim your token, your Ethereum token. You have to connect it to connect your wallet to claim the Ethereum that you earn the reward. The reward is going to pay out in Ethereum, so you have to connect your wallet as well. So when you connect your wallet and then when you get the reward, you have to pay gas fee. Just like when you start staking your token, your ZRX token into the pool, you have to pay the gas fee as well. So you have to have Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet or my crypto or my Ether wallet. But the thing is, you have to use MetaMask to retrieve your token. So, right, I think I talked about how to use MetaMask long time ago. So anyway, so you can connect using MetaMask and Coinbase wallet by going to the ZRX website. This is how you access to the pool. So let me know what you think about this project. I talked about this project long time ago. This is a decentralized exchange, and this is the trend. I mean, it's going to be, Binance, they said they are decentralized. They are not truly decentralized, seriously. IDEX is truly decentralized exchange. A lot of big name like exchange, they said they decentralized. They are not decentralized at all. They are basically very centralized and also a central point of failure as well. And so yeah, you have to connect your wallet to claim your reward. So every 7 days, they're going to do some payout. So the thing is, I think I will wait a little bit before I connect the wallet to claim my reward, the Ethereum reward, because the thing is, when you connect your wallet and then you want to pull the Ethereum back to your MetaMask wallet, you have to pay gas. So I probably will wait a little bit before I will just pull the reward. And I don't know how much reward. I'm not sure yet. Right now, it also depending on how many ZRX you can stick to this particular pool, right? And I'm so surprised they don't have that many staking pool. They only have 8 pool right now. I don't think it's good. I mean, used to be they have 11 pool, but the 11 pool, it doesn't do anything because they don't have much fees generated. And so this one has 10 fee 10 Ethereum already generated. So, but it's right now 73% saturated. And in terms of the reward share, they tell you like 0.617778, 0.61263 Ethereum share. So this is the average. This is just the average. So we also depending on how many you stick there. So we'll see. Let me know what you think about this project, and let me know, are you going to use the MetaMask wallet to connect it to the ZRX, or are you going to use the Coinbase? Let me know what you're going to do with this. And of course, I'm going to do some update about Zilliqa. And in terms of the staking, right now still in phase 0, which is the custodial staking, which is in Coinbase and KuCoin. and I'm not going to stick on those platform because it's a centralized exchange, and you don't want to leave your token in the exchange, and of course they're going to have some type they're going to get a cut from your commission, right? From your reward. If you still remember Tezos, they take a cut like 10% to 20% of your reward. If you stick your Tezos, if you put your Tezos into the exchange in Coinbase. And so right now we are still in phase 0. We are waiting for phase 1. Phase 1 is the non-custodial staking. Will be available in the wallet in phase 1. So there's no official announcement when are they going to go to the stage 1 yet. We'll see. And in terms of the wallet, they have a whole bunch of wallet. I think a lot of people already talk about different types of wallet they have. Oops, where's the wallet? So this is the wallet. So the Zilliqa wallet. So they have a whole bunch of wallet: Ledger, Moonlet, Trust Wallet, and Atomic Wallet, Infinito Wallet, Map Wallet. So that will be, we have to wait until they go to phase 1, and then the wallet is going to support that hopefully. And we're still waiting for the phase 1 to finish before. I know a lot of people are very eager to stake the token on, but we haven't gone to phase 1 yet, so we'll see. So depending on where did you put your Zilliqa, in which wallet. So I would not put in a Ledger, because just in case they don't support, because a lot of time the staking, the Ledger is a little bit behind compared to the software wallet. And as I mentioned before, software wallet, if it's like Trust Wallet or all this Atomic Wallet and Infinito Wallet, I would put it in a computer that I don't use it very often. It's an idle computer, or a computer that you don't use very often, or use an old cell phone to install those software wallet to the cell phone, to the old cell phone, because you don't want that to be online 24/7, because there's a potential of hacking into your wallet. So I use Trust Wallet because at the time when I transfer the Zilliqa out, I think it's easier for me to just use Trust Wallet at the time. And Trust Wallet is I think Binance only Trust Wallet. And at the time they don't have some other wallet at the time when I use it, when I transfer my Zilliqa. But anyway, let me know which wallet you're going to use, and are you going to transfer to the wallet to do the staking, or you're going to leave it into KuCoin or Binance? Just let them to take your commission. Just give them some freebies, right? Free money, right? If the reward is like 10%, they probably take a cut from you. I don't know how many percent. But the thing is so I don't think it's a good idea to live in an exchange. But I think some I don't know if you still remember, for Neo they have gas, right? But then I don't think Binance take a cut from your gas. But the thing is, when you withdraw it, they're going to have a withdrawal fee. So that's the thing, right? They still take a cut from you. That they are going to, they are exchanged. They want to make money off you either way. So when you withdraw the token, they are going to charge you. So that is another form of commission as well. So let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you think about the ZRX project, as well as Zilliqa. And please comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and of course, Patreon as well. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Comment as well. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk, and I'm not responsible for your loss or gain in all this video what I'm talking about. Just be careful, stay safe out there. And also, this video is only for entertainment and informational purposes, and are not a financial advice, and use your due diligence. Not responsible for any loss of your token or transfer of the token from ins and out of the wallet or exchange. Just be careful out there, and stay safe. Peace out.